My name is Brother Solomon. I am a content creator, a comedian, and an actor. My days are usually very hectic, and I barely have time for myself. I noticed that I started having rashes and other skin irritations. Looking stressed out also became an unending compliment, knowing that my face and skin reveals my brand. I knew this was an issue. One day, when I was going through Instagram, I came across Grey Luxury Spa. As a content creator, I personally got attracted to their amazing content. I followed their page and found out they were right here in Benin City.
Grey Luxury Spa is located at 53 Ogba Airport Road, beside Swiss 3 Hotel, Benin City, Edo State. Their services include facials, massage, pedicure, manicure, body polish, waxing, skin tag removal, knuckle treatment, stretch marks, the hair room, grey bar, the nail bar, body sculpting and weight loss for laser, teeth whitening, sauna, and so much calmness in one space.
Grey Luxury Spa is now my plug for an amazing luxury lifestyle.
Grey Luxury Spa, adding sparkles to your shine.